Guys, it's September and you know what that means. It's time to upgrade your Apple devices because Apple has just wrapped up with its biggest event of the year. And now we have the brand new Apple's iPhone 17 series, new upgraded AirPods, watches and many more. And I'll be breaking down everything for you in this video because you're watching GetAssist, Himanshu here, and let's get started. First of all, let's talk about the new iPhone 17 series, which is actually a power pack upgrade from previous year. Talking about its display and design, this design is following the iPhone 16 series base but still feels different, and it's like little bigger and more curved but elegant. It has 6.3 inches Super Retina XDR with Pro Motion 120Hz, not 60 Hz this time. Always on display up to 1 Hz and 3x better scratch resistance with a ceramic shield, and it has a peak brightness of 3000 nits, which is the brightest ever iPhone. Now let's talk about its camera. It has an 18 megapixel center stage front camera, square sensor for wider field, plus a dual capture for simultaneous front and rear recording. And the rear camera features 48 megapixel Fusion main with 2x telephoto and 48 megapixel ultra wide 4x resolutions to the previous, plus a spatial audio video, Dolby Vision 4K, cinematic plus action modes. Talking about its performance, it has the A19 chipset and which has a 1.5x faster CPU and A15 GPU, which is 2x to the previous one. We have faster charging, which can reach to 50% in just 20 minutes. Talking about the storage and availability, this time this phone will be available in 256GB variant. There will be no 128GB variant in the base models, and we'll be having the 256GB and 512GB variants. Available in 5 colors: black, lavender, mist, blue, sage and white. It will cost you $799 and it will be available from 12th of September and will be there in the stores from 19th. Now let's talk about the newest one in the family, the iPhone 17 Air, the slimmest ever iPhone, but it's durable because it's titanium in it. Talking about the design, just a 5.6mm thin, weighs 165 gram and titanium frame, a ceramic shield too, front and back glass. And if we talk about the display, it has 6.5 inches Super Retina XDR Pro Motion 120Hz display with 300 nits brightness, same A19 chipset and N1 wireless chip. It has a single Fusion main camera of 48 megapixel, which has 2x optical zoom, and the front camera will be of 18 megapixel, and it also supports dual capture. It will be costing $999 and will be available in the 256GB variants, and this model will have eSIMs too. Now let's talk about the beast iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max. The latest design is fresh and new. There is a slightly uplifted base at the cameras, but it's similar to the latest launch of Realme P4, and both of them feels like identical twins. I don't know who copied whom or inspired by whom, but it was something that I have to mention in this video. Talking about the build, the new aluminum unibody with vapor chambering cooling, ceramic shield 2, front and back scratch proof glass, and display size will be changed from 6.3 to 6.9. All real cameras will be 48 megapixel with Fusion main, ultra wide and new telephoto optical quality up to 8x zoom. The front camera will be of 18 megapixel. Center stage introduces the ProRes video with enhanced dynamic range and Gen Lock for multi-camera sync. It has the A19 Pro chipset in it, which is the fastest ever chipset in an iPhone, and it has the vapor chambers to cool it down quickly. The base variant of 256GB of iPhone 17 Pro will start from $1,099 and the iPhone 17 Pro Max will start from $1,199 and it will go till 2TB. Pre-orders are available from 12th of September and we will having them in stores from the 19th. After the iPhone 17 series, we have lined up with the Apple AirPods Pro 3. Updated active noise cancellation, world's best. They say thanks for foam insulated, thanks to foam infused tips. New PPG heart rate sensor built in, plus live translations and improved fit IP57 rated, 8-hour battery life, and it will cost $249. Next we have 3 watches starting from Apple Watch Series 11. Thinnest design, 5G Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, playground for health, hypertension alerts, ECGs, sleep apnea detection, 100% recycled aluminium, battery with 24-hour normal and 38-hour on low power mode, and it will start from $399. Next is Watch SE3. This one is affordable with upgrades. Always on display, S10 chip, sleep score, temperature sensing, fast charging, 5G durable glass, 18-hour battery, 32-hour battery at low power, and it will cost $249. And the last one is Watch Ultra 3. It's rugged with satellite messaging, LPTO OLED 1Hz to save your power, large battery, and up to 72 hours in low battery mode, which will cost you $799. Now here's the reminder again, all the pre-orders are starting from 12th of September, and we will be having all these devices in stores from 19th of September. And that's all about the event we had in Apple in this video. If you find this video useful and informative, just hit the like button, comment down your thoughts. If you're having any query, just mention them in the comments. And what else? Subscribe to our channel for more such content. I'll meet you in the next one.